You brought that one. I brought this one. I didn't remember it. Which one? No? I'm gonna do it anyways. We can watch it. Whoa, this one's cool. They're small. That's why it's extra. Come on. Oh, I actually like this one. This is pretty hard. But not at the same time.
Delta 747.
Welcome aboard, this is American Airlines 1664 with service to San Juan, Puerto Rico. Your safety is important to us. We can hear you. Please pause for a moment to give your attention to the flight attendant. Bienvenidos a bordo de American Airlines vuelo 1664 con servicio directo a San Juan, Puerto Rico. Su seguridad es primordial para nosotros. Les pedimos ahora, por favor, dirigir su atención a los tripulantes, quienes demostraremos las medidas de seguridad de este avión. 737, su atención, por favor.
Travel with American Airlines. We're glad you're here. This flight is on its way to one of our many destinations across the globe, made possible by our dedicated team members who all do it for one reason, you. That's why your safety and well-being are so important to us. Let's go through some in-flight instructions so we can get you safely on your way. First, make sure your seat is upright, all larger electronic devices are put away, and your tray table is stowed. Seatback device holders must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you have a carry-on, place it all the way under the seat in front of you. Larger carry-on luggage goes in the overhead bin. If you have a handheld device, please switch it to airplane mode now. If your electronic device falls into your seat, please do not adjust your seat and contact a crew member for assistance. If you are seated at an overwing exit, your window shade must remain open for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you haven't already fastened your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. And remember, seatbelts should be fastened whenever you're seated in case of unexpected turbulence. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and posted signs and crew member instructions. All flights are non-smoking, including e-cigarettes. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the lavatory smoke detectors. Doing so may result in a fine. The safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this airplane, including the location and operation of exits and flotation devices. But of course, don't hesitate to ask our crew members questions. This airplane has 2 exit doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 exit doors in the back. Take a moment to locate the nearest one, and keep in mind, it may be behind you. All door exits have evacuation slides to use in the unlikely event of an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane. In a water evacuation, life rafts are located in marked ceiling compartments. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions. If needed, exit path lighting in the aisle will illuminate near the floor to guide you to an exit, indicated by signs and lights. In the event of an emergency, leave all belongings and proceed to the closest usable exit. If needed, oxygen masks will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. You should always put on your mask before helping others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Life vests are located under, next to, or between your seat. For help locating them, see your safety card. To remove the vest, pull the tab or compartment handle to break the seal. If equipped with an elastic harness, remove the harness before opening the pouch. Take the vest out as shown on the safety card and put it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle, and pull tight. Once outside, pull the tab to inflate your vest or blow into the red tube. In the water, a light on your vest will automatically illuminate. If necessary, an infant life vest will be distributed by a crew member. See your safety card for more details on how to use it. We will be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. Individual reading light controls are at each seat. It's our honor to care for you on your journey. If you have any questions, please refer to your safety card or ask any of the crew members as they do their final cabin check. And as always, let us know if there's anything we can do to make your time with us more enjoyable.
The federal mask mandate remains in place for air travel under the recently updated CDC guidance for vaccinated travelers. As a result, we continue to have additional safety measures due to COVID-19, and we appreciate your attention for a few more moments. It is important to remember, in the event oxygen masks drop from the overhead compartment, you must remove your face mask before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. You must wear a face mask over your nose and mouth and make sure it is secure under your chin or neck during the entire flight. You may briefly lift or lower your face mask while eating or drinking. Please keep your mask on if you want to sleep so we don't have to wake you. We'll be coming through the aisle for our final safety and face checks. Now more than ever, we appreciate your choosing American Airlines. Welcome aboard. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.
American Airlines le da la bienvenida nuevamente. Nos alegra que esté aquí. Este vuelo está en camino hacia uno de los muchos destinos en todo el mundo, hecho posible por los miembros de nuestro equipo dedicado que se encuentran motivados por una razón: usted. Por eso su seguridad y su bienestar son tan importantes para nosotros.
pleasure to welcome you to San Juan, Puerto Rico. The local time is 9:49 a.m. Please remain with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a completed stop at the seatbelt sign. It is important, please take a look at your seat back pocket all around your seat. Make sure you have all of your belongings, especially your travel documents, because once you exit the airplane, you're not allowed to get back on board. I repeat, one step out of the airplane and you are not allowed to get back on board. Please make sure you have everything with you. On behalf of the American Airlines employees, especially your flight attendants team, this Miami-based crew, thank you for flying with us. Now more than ever, we appreciate you choosing American Airlines. Welcome to Puerto Rico. Have a good day. Es un placer darles la más cordial bienvenida a San Juan, Puerto Rico, la hora local, las 10 menos 10 de la mañana, 10 minutos para las 10 de la mañana. Pedimos por favor permanecer con su cinturón abrochado hasta que el avión se detenga completamente y el capitán apague la señal del cinturón. Es muy importante, por favor, tómese un minuto para revisar la bolsa del asiento, alrededor de su asiento y asegurarse de tener todas sus pertenencias, especialmente sus documentos de viaje, porque una vez hayan salido del avión, no pueden volver a ingresar. Repito, un paso fuera del avión, no pueden volver a ingresar. Por favor, asegúrense de tener absolutamente todas sus pertenencias. Gracias. En nombre de todos los empleados de American Airlines, en especial las tripulaciones de vuelo, la tripulación el día de hoy comparte en la ciudad de Miami. Les agradecemos muchísimo haber escogido nuestros servicios. Esperamos verlos de nuevo muy pronto. Una vez más, bienvenidos a Puerto Rico y que tengan un muy buen día.
Landing on an airplane. This takeoff is not that bad. Oh my gosh. That actually looks like
just
Fauna.
that
I
video.
actually thought that was
it's
Fauna.
Yeah.
This is what he kept. Oh, not me bending this accidentally. Woo! We have the VIP, but we come last and everything. Nah, at least it's faster because everyone's off the plane by then. So just like, get them out of this. Run. Never mind. Okay. What?
The attendant verified the sound doors. Stand by for a moment.
Really? That was 10 of them.
Nope.
Daddy. Bonnie's to go out. Did you leave already?
I know. It was a good plan.
You left already? You think it was 7 out of 10?
Okay, can all the lights on?
Oh my god. That's alright. What now?
Upstairs and downstairs. The lights downstairs is on.
Ow.
Okay, just turn all the lights off.
When did you do this up this time?
He just landed.
Okay, don't expect me to be